Hey everybody, welcome to Mr. Domestic's Quick Tips. Still spreading joy and positivity through sewing and fabric play, just in a more condensed version. This video is all about hiding the knots or burying the threads in quilting. Now let's have some. I'm hiding the knots tonight and I decided to create a little video for those of you who don't know about hiding the knot in quilting. So this is an point right here where the threads meet. I brought them all to the back. I like to treat these from the back. And then, since they're all around the same hole, I'll take it and then just tie a double knot so that it's super secure. And then I love these self-threading needles. It makes it so much easier. You just put all 4 of those threads right there. And one of these holes that you see, you'll just stick the needle in. It needs to go just a little bit. That's like 1/2 inch. Pull it all the way through. And then just because I like to do a 3rd knot on the end and have it go all the way in there. And then all you gotta do is pull on it a little bit, cut that. The knot is hidden. Hey, so now you can hide the knots and or bury the thread. If you have any other quick tips that you'd like to see, then make sure to leave it in the comments below. Keep it positive, y'all. Mr. Domestic out.